It's the first time that I try to hold this workshop in English. Of course, I did presentations in English, but a workshop a whole day, it's new for me. So forgive me if and correct me if I'm saying something wrong or what you don't understand. I try my best. Wissenschaft, we started then in '95 at the EcoWellness in Mecklenburg with a completely new system and medical approach based on experience until then, but with a completely new focus, organic. The organic standards are not healthy. They are healthier because they avoid chemistry.
Yeah.
So we went to the Erfahre and said, hey, that's not enough. The food should be also healthy. And it should be from the original. It should be social, fair. And now the EcoWellness standard is the only standard worldwide combining organic, healthy, CO2 and criteria like food, avoiding food waste, and social criteria as well. And EcoWellness is the best standard for the new EU ESG law. So I explain now with my presentation what EcoWellness standard is. EcoWellness was developed by Integrated Art, founded 1996 in Hamburg, now in Berlin. Our vision is that EcoWellness as a standard is positioned as a globally unique for healthiness and food standards and personalized preventive life. The US definition, which is not on this presentation, which should be improved by the way, is social and sexual well-being. We had to look at the whole areas of life, therefore, not just the room, the office, and the workspace, but we had to look to find out what are the critical elements of a standard. The fundamental part of the EcoWellness standard, especially for the food systems, is we are still here from a metabolic terms of view. We are primed through this life we have, our ancestors have. Very few meat, but still also meat, but very few, because this hunting was based on success, and it not always works. This comes from the genetic background. Next page. So the EcoWellness food standard is not just organic, but consists of these items. It has to be personalized. And we have, as a first diagnostic, you can do yourself, you find out what is my metabolism. Who am I from a metabolic type? So, next page. We also found out that you have not only to do diagnostics which metabolic type you are, you also have to find out what is your negative, irrational problem in your relationship with the company, with your living, with your mind shift, etc. All this is important because the human being is an ecosystem in itself, very complex ecosystem. Yeah? So if too many negative elements, like chemistry, like stress, for example, producing poison in your body, then we become ill. We are an ecosystem like a lake or a river. But in addition, we have a lot of problems with the irrational facts. So if we're not happy with a company, if I'm not happy with our CEO, if I'm not happy with my partners I'm working with, if I'm not happy with my relation, private relation, yeah, then we have in addition problems which we have to manage. And our diagnostic systems find this out and improve then the system. Next page. That's the future. If we have enough data of the company and enough data of the human being who work in this, we can improve the system. This is the sign for the official standard for all what is eco. So according to international law and the EU law, which is the base of all international laws, because the first standard of organic was in Germany and in Europe and Austria, and therefore the whole organic movement is a European movement. Before, the industry had a fear, if we difference between better and worse, yeah, we lose turnover. So that's a good move and a good direction. But it has nothing to do with so this is a fact that we are the only standard who follow the EU criteria. And this I wanted to show. This is in our website, which we work the whole time to improve the website. These young guys in Berlin. And next slide. Okay, this is an EcoWellness menu which we developed with a star chef in Sparks. It's a restaurant of Hilton, Vienna. On the left side from the menu, you see, for somebody who has no idea, and just enters into a bistro and has nothing, no experience before, he gets, and that's the certification. If you have a menu, EcoWellness menu, you can even have a non-organic menu as well. That's the big advantage. Because if you change into be a hotel, and you have to change your whole menu to get the seal be bio hotels. And this is very important, but as you know, a chef and a cook, yeah, he loves his card, his menu, and he doesn't want to have now the governance from somebody else. This is the better menu. Exactly. But we can say, okay, these 4 dishes you have developed. If you do this in organic, it's the same supplier, and then we help you to personalize the card as a Sondercard, an extra card. Or he says in his card, EcoWellness. That's possible. And here you see also they bought this complicated product. This is what we have. So you can use our products to make this Anbare, Hierbei. This is all our products. You can just add it, and you can say, okay, if you want to have it in your room, if you want to have it at home, you can buy it. That's it. The reason why people become ill, the risk is food. Risks are higher than smoking and blood pressure. Yeah. Even higher than a too high BMI, body mass index. Yeah. This is a typical very big study of in Norway, for example. And this is very, very important because we developed with Professor Forman our brain food series, We have 8 brain food products developed with him, which really stops, helps very much burnout and the Alzheimer and dementia risk. Loses the ability that you, with the hormone insulin, feed the cells of the brain. So they don't know why this happens here and there. We know that stress and nutrition is a reason, but we don't know still why gets Alzheimer, which means he loses everything, and dementia, which only losing the ability to find where I put my handy. Yeah? But not what was in the past. So that's the difference between Alzheimer and demence. Yeah? Demence is very dangerous, especially with older people, even younger people, yeah? Because they do know everything about the past. Yeah? They know who you are. If they have known you for years, they can tell you all the stories, and you wouldn't never think that he is dement. Yeah? Until the fact that he finds his handy in the fridge. Yeah? Yes, and this is what we find out with our scientists and him as one of our stars, and that there's a method. If you want to feed the brain with other things, there are ketone körper, and what they found out is laurinsäure has so-called ketone körper, which also feed the brain. And the most of laurinsäure is in
Kokosfett.
There's a little bit in butter, there's a little bit in soya, there's a little bit in pollen, but the most laurinsäure which can feed the brain is in cocos fat. Wow. Native, of course, but only if it's, because it's an acid, laurin acid, if the surrounding is basic. And this is exactly what our brain food line does. Right? And this is our absolute king. This brain food with beta-C and guarana is also very good for sex.
That's a good seller.
That was a good promotion.
I take it.
If I drive a long day with a car, I take this and have no problem. Just to show a little bit. The first paragraph is that it should be regional and this and that and Erfahre, organic, etc., and water, no PET bottles in the hotel, no plastic. The personalizing standards, which you know already. And here are the butterflies criteria. So one butterfly is this food card, and you have 2 butterflies is diagnostics and a therapist, etc. 3, 4 butterflies. Okay, that's it.